Are you stuck?
It won't go anywhere.
Are we gonna have to call somebody? So beautiful out here, but does anyone else's husband have the first instinct as soon as it snows? First time he opened his eyes this morning, immediately wants to do donuts in the snow. Insists that I watch him to see how cool he can be, how impressive this is. I don't think he's doing donuts. Oh no, did he get stuck? What about Belle?
It's stuck
Are you stuck?
somehow.
What happened to the donuts?
I'm trying.
Come on, you can do it.
Damn it.
Babe, what happened to the donuts?
I'm trying.
Are you stuck?
It won't go anywhere.
Are we gonna have to call somebody?
It'll get pulled out there.
I don't think you're going anywhere.
I might, you never know.
Never know. Okay.